everyone, and welcome to General Physics about Newton's second law of motion. I need to show you here Newton's second law of motion over two different objects between 50 kilogram and 200 kilogram objects. Let's first take these values: mass and speed. This is 50 kilogram box, and the speed also here. We have to set also the applied force, give 10 Newton, then observe the acceleration and the speed as well. It changes, the speed is changes, and the acceleration is simply clearly observable. Let's change this box also. Stop first, then reset, then back this 50 kilogram and replace by 200 kilogram. Back take values, mass and speed, and this is 200 kilogram. You have an observation before for 50 kilogram here also. Give 10 Newton and observe the acceleration. It's very slowly accelerates, and the speed also slowly changes. So from this, what we can conclude that acceleration and mass are inversely proportional. But for the same mass or the same object, acceleration is directly proportional to force directly proportional to acceleration. So you can try this and other related Newton's laws of motion and physics also using the PhET simulation. It's freely available. For time being, I thank you for watching me.